Yo, what's up team? I hope you're all having a great time. Now let's go over some charts over here, guys. As you can see, we got a clear level where price is bouncing over here on the DAX. So it bounced here, came back, showed rejections, and now it's on the way up, pulling up to this level. I think the next one will be over here. So we got some space for buys to this level. If DAX will come down and break this resistance, clearly we have some downward potential. Next target could be somewhere around here, guys. Okay, the other target could be somewhere around here, like where we have like some things to there we have some another target, like target 1, target 2, if it breaks down to the downside. Otherwise, this is not a good entry for me right now for buying opportunities, because just not good enough. Risk reward ratio would be bad in this case. Only if it was go like really straight with a tight stop, but for me this is not a good entry. I like to get around at these trend lines. We have missed this one, but look at here what the banks are doing, or whoever is doing. It's like the market makers, and making it bounce over here, came back, bounce, okay, and then on the last one they took the stop orders and then boom, move that thing up to the north side. So right now it's under resistance, but I'm sure it will be broke. So what we can do, guys, what we can do, if you want to get an entry, maybe you can check for price goes up and then wait for the retest around at that area, and then let's boost this thing over here and maybe go to the upper trend channel. All right, like we're having a trend channel over here. Maybe this could be somewhere around here, second entry, second target somewhere around here. Let's see how we can move the fibs. If we move it from here to, let's say, push through and it comes back around in that area, maybe we'll drop down to the 50 or 61.8, and then we can take this one to this one, you know, like this will be at the top of the trend. This could be the highest target that I would aim for. Okay, so this is something you can do, guys, because this thing is moving up. But let's see if it will go down. You can trade the breakout, of course, but you can wait for a clear break as well, wait for the comeback, and then boom. All right, easy stuff, guys, nothing too complicated. Now what we got on US30, this thing, it's moving up as well, guys. In my eyes it's moving up as well. Let's check the 4-hour chart. What we got, price clearly respected that level, having a big resistance over here right now. No time to get in, you know that it doesn't look good, but what we can wait for, maybe if price comes back to that level, we can look maybe for shorts if it wants to continue in these sideways veg, you know. So we can take a sell position over here, or we can wait for the breakout as well. Can wait for the breakout, maybe a little retest, and then boom, aim for the recent high over here, somewhere around here in this area. Okay, this could be a nice move that we can expect. Or what we can do as well, like we can see if this thing push through straight, okay, then we can pull our fibs from here to there, and then we wait for price to come back around in that area, 50% or 61%. Because price, most of the time, it doesn't always respect the level perfectly, so sometimes it dips really deeper, but it's good for us. We don't need to put all our risk appetite on the first entry, so we can put another one over here, or something like that, and then wait for the big move. Okay, easy stuff, guys. Keep it simple. Okay, Nasdaq is pushing like crazy. What the fuck is going on with this bitch? But yeah, we got some levels anyways. Way overextended, guys, way overextended. Just a matter of time until this thing starts dropping, but I think when it drops really quick. Like, you know, like just see it before, guys. It moves up very slowly, like it does here, like slowly up, and then there will be like 1-2 days where it goes like boom. And this is what I'm looking for here as well. Like, I'm still waiting for the move to come down. Still waiting for the move to come down, break through all these levels, and maybe bank profits around in that area, around at this recent high where price came down. Like, make this something like a head and shoulder, boom, come down, then it just moves straight up, you know. But I want to see this thing goes down, because it cannot go up like forever, man. So what the fuck is going on with this market, man? Somebody's pushing it hard, but I'm sure this really looks like how we call it, like this looks like no, it's not consolidation. I forgot the word, man. What is it called? It is like compression zone, guys. You see this? Boom, 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 boom. So there's nearly no, let's say like here's nearly no support left, like, because it already picked that all up. So the way down could be really fast. Like, maybe we can get a much bigger drop as well. We don't know. We just have to watch what's going on, and then we react to it. All right, let's see. US 500. US 500 clearly respect this trend level. Made some notes on that one last week as well. Like, and yeah, what happened was we had a gap, boom, gap got closed. As you see, the gap got closed, and then we got a nice move up. So now, for me, yeah, my buyers will be long, but anyway, it's not a good entry right now. Let's pick this rejection as a level. So when price makes the move, okay, makes the move, maybe come back to that level, boom, we can get an entry over there, boom, cash out. Or maybe if you want to try to hold this thing a little longer, you know, just measure the move, see around that 50, 165 we could get in, and write this thing maybe here. Potential another target would be the extension levels over here, somewhere around here, you know, boom, that would be the perfect the highest perfect target, or here. So we got some obstacles in terms of fibs if you want to use them. As I said, it's not a magic tool, nothing special to get crazy about. Okay, so what we got on gold, nice looking uptrend channel as well. Came down a little bit last 1 or 2 days on last week. We got this nice level over here. This is not a really nice level, but it's near the trend channel as well. So if you go to the smaller time frames and you see like price action coming in our favor, which this is still, I would still not consider this is still a resistance, but as you see price bouncing, it got slower and slower. So maybe we can see a nice move over here, because gold overall, my buyers are still buying. Gold is always strong. So yeah, on the smaller time frame we can get a good entry. On the bigger time we don't see this. So let me delete these arrows. I'll make this one quick, nice and fast, because we're already too late. I had some cocktails in the bar with my friends. But anyways, it is really around a good level over here. Great support level, bounced a couple of times, boom boom. It looks like it's loading up. Still got the smaller time frame resistance over here, but if we can go through this, this thing got upward potential, guys, so you definitely want to look out for shorts. But if it clearly broke that shit like to the downside, and we ride this thing to the downside, just react to the market, guys. Just see what the market is doing. You can always wait for clear break and retests, you know. Wait for the clear break, wait for it to come back, and then boom, get in, you know. But gold, I don't like to sell gold. Took a few big losses last weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks when I was shorting gold. Took too much risk as well, like I already told about. But anyways, fuck it. So let's search for good buy opportunities. Okay, so this is a level where we can get in. Of course, it is a nice support, but as you can see, double top doesn't really looks like it's on the way down already. So this would be a great level as well. So maybe it will drop, trick some sellers into the market, and then boom, get up again. Because as you all know, gold really loves to just get below these levels, to get these sellers into the market, trick them, and then buy from them, fuck them up, and go upside, you know. Oh, now I get a call. Give me 1 second. Okay, this is customer. No time right now. I'm sorry, bro. But anyways, okay, this is my analysis for gold, guys. But at the end of the day, yeah, you guys need to pull the trigger. So this is what I see. Okay, this is what I see. I have a great trend channel over here. So why not let this thing cook and try to bounce it to the upside? But this is an indication for me for maybe a potential reversal, because we had fucking huge uptrend, guys, huge uptrend, and maybe we're about to break this thing. So be careful, guys, be careful with buys at this time. If you can get a nice candlestick confirmation on the lower time frame, and of course you can ride this thing to the upside because it's an uptrend. Just go with the trend. But if it gets clearly broken, guys, and if it doesn't look like a stop hunt, then we can expect some downward potential. And then yeah, just wait for clear breaking retest or whatever you're looking for. Maybe you like to trade breakouts. You don't want to wait for the retest, and go for the breakout as well. Make sure to always trail your stops, and if it moves your favorite, scale that thing up. What we got on USDCAD, still moving in this consolidation. Built it something like a resistance around at the 200 MA as well. Like it is rejecting it. We're having a rejection zone over here, so possibly it can go down, come back up, we don't know, or it come down, finally breaks it, come back for the retest. We can get a nice entry, boom, right this thing to the downside. Easy stuff, simple concept. USDJPY, what we had, so we banked on TP1 last days. It was on Friday, I think I banked some because I saw buyers stepping in, and we got a nice fake out move, tricked some more buyers into the market. But I think this thing will come back to the main support level that got already broken. So somewhere around in this area, I was looking for buys. Stop loss way above that, because I think they could maybe, because US dollar, as you all know, they like to manipulate it a little bit. So maybe the price will come over here, get all these stop hunts, like trick the sellers who get stopped out. So we got buy liquidity. So if you have buys in the market, the banks can now sell this big time, and then we come back. Let's see, but we should look around to sell it around in this area. So I wait for it to come back, get a good entry, and then boom, let's try it again. Hit something on TP1, and then TP2 would be the next one. If you go to the higher time frame, we're in a clear big uptrend, downtrend channel. So next target could be somewhere around at the trend channel, somewhere around here or here. Let's see, man. I mean, this manipulation here, what the fuck was that, man? What the fuck? But anyways, yeah, we got some levels over here that we can focus on as well for third targets. But yeah, let's write this thing to the downside. This is what I see for now. It's want to go down. It's below the moving average as well. So yeah, downward potential, guys. Looking for good entries over there. And GBPUSD clearly broke the level, came back for a small retest. Boom, got rejected at that level, came back around in that area. So we have, looks like we have this area as a support as well. Now let's see, looks like a double top at the moment, and GBPUSD likes to hunt stop hunts as well. As you see, if it moves in a trend, it moves nicely in a trend, come back up, back down. So now we have a straight move. So if this is a double top, maybe it will go below that, we don't know, but I would wait and see what's going on. If it goes beyond, wait for the retest, boom, try to ride this thing to the upside. Now right here we are too late right now, but if it comes down, boom, wait for it to come back, boom, maybe we can ride this thing to the downside, and then we can start maybe to mark up maybe a trend or something like that, because right now we don't know. It's not that trend we want to see, you know. So if this is a double top and it comes down, it will come somewhere around here, and then maybe we can start building a trend where we can play around. If this thing makes the decision to go upside for the next weeks, okay. So yeah, simple concept. You guys can trade breakouts, or you can take you can trade break and retest, whatever you like, okay. Okay, what we got over here? Let's check the 4-hour chart. This is GBPJPY. Why? Okay, boom, boom. Then it dipped a little bit down. I would say buy side liquidity over here. After this candle, I would say big banks like to buy in at this area, because you see this, like boom, this is where they pushed it hard, and it respected the MA line, moving average 200. Then it came back to that level, boom, and golden candle, tuck. So yeah, we got some buy potential over here, guys. This looks for me like an uptrend, okay. Just mark up the levels, trade the structure, and then all good. Stick to good risk management, guys. Start with small position, see if it goes your way, and then you can go to the maybe 1 hour or 30-minute chart and see for the structure, like boom, 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 retest, scale up a little bit, boom, let it run, then come down, dipped a little bit below that, but anyways, still good buying opportunities over here. Let's see what we got next week, guys, but this is what I see right now. It's on the way up, so we need to check for good buying opportunities. Buy low, sell high, make the money, guys. Nice and easy. Okay, GBPAUD is still running, guys. Still running. Nice double bottom. Now push through the resistance already. Maybe we'll come down a little bit, but yeah, TP1 is not hit yet. This is where my TP1 is. Like, this could have been another level, but for me this was not far enough. So I'm aiming for around this area for TP1. So I would love to see that it really pushed. But anyways, we have this 200 moving average as well. It's still in a downtrend. We never know when it turns around, but we had to be ready for this. So could drop as well. But anyways, if it comes below that, retest that level, then boom, trade this thing to the upside. If it continues like that, come here, you see rejection, boom, trades to the upside. Easy, simple. Don't make it too complicated, guys. The magic happens with a risk and trade management, guys. If you got a trending market and you have the balls to scale it up, then you're gonna have a lot of fun in the future, okay. GBPCAD banks on TP1 over here last Friday. Banked some when I saw sellers stepping in. Waited for another nice retest over here, but it's not clearly respecting the level. Just you see this entry cheese where some guys got tricked and they got stopped out. We don't know what happened yet. We have a stronger support level over here, so possibly price will come all the way back down here, take the stops from people who have this stop around in this area, and then maybe it continue to the upside. But if not, then we can trade this thing to the other side as well. Guys, just read the market and see what it does. React to it, guys. You all know that. Okay, that's it for today. I need to relax a little bit. 20 minutes is enough of your time, so I hope this was helpful, guys. Keep it simple and try to let good trades run, guys. Try to let these good trades cook, okay? Try to let them cook and make that moolah. Have a great one. Peace out.